Good morning, everybody. We are here. We're ready to go. We're feeling okay. 36 degrees and cloudy out right now. We've got Frank first in the chat, J Bones, Arthur, Nick F, Dark Bro, 1776, Pudgy. What's going on, man? Pika Power is here. Dark Bro, Pika, Lyman, Dave, J Bones, Pika, 1776, CD Wit, Killer Page, CD Wit, Frank. We've got Peter, Peter, Peter. My gosh, that's hard to say. 1776, Pika, Cassie. Thank you for the 17-month member chat. I'm alive. I hear people miss me. Cassie, we do miss you. I'm glad you're alive. I'm glad you're here. Cassie, baby. Yes, Cassie, thank you very much for being in here right now. We've got Dark Bro, Frank, Pika, J Bones, Missing Link, Tim, and Cassie. Oh my goodness. Loving it right now. All 14 of you guys, thank you very much for being in here. Let's check out the market and see what it's doing right now. AMC in the top left getting hit pretty hard today. Down 7.48%. $7.36. We've got Shiba Inu coin sitting down 1.68% at the moment, 910 points per coin. We've got GameStop sitting 1.99% lower on the day, 27.04 there. We've got Bitcoin sitting at 16,490, coming down, testing 16,369, bouncing back slightly right now, sitting at 16,490. The Nasdaq losing pretty heavy today, 1.32% lower, 11,208 points. Bior Therapeutics losing 2.32% on the day. Ethereum down, Shiba down, Doge down, Bitcoin down right now. Crypto's getting hit hard today. Sundial sitting 0.93% lower on the day. Mullen Auto 27 cents. CEI 14 cents. The SPY is sitting at 396.27. BBIG down about 5% on the day. Highcroft Mining 81, almost 82 cents. Netflix sitting at 304.48. Terra Luna Classic 17.8. QQQ sitting at 285.92. And Ape is sitting at $1 stinking 33. My goodness. After bouncing off $1.28. The question is, how low will Ape go? Anybody buying Ape if it drops down to like 25 cents a share there? My goodness. Greetings from Texas. Tim, man. Greetings from Ohio. Glad to have you in here all the way from Texas. Got to be better weather down there than it is up here, man. The question is it going to snow today? I don't know. Oh, wow. So the World Cup starts in 3 days. I click on the weather, and it shows me the World Cup starting in 3 days. USA, Brazil, and Belgium. All right. We got some World Cup contenders over there. World Cup contenders. Where do you see H-Bar in the next bull run? You know what? Let's take a look at H-Bar, Champagne Poppy. Since I never really look at it, we'll take a look at H-Bar right now and see what we got going on there. Let's see. I'm telling you guys, I slept terrible last night. I had just like, I mean, it's going to sound gross, right? But I had sinus drainage all night, man. Sore throat all night long. Absolutely ridiculous. Woke up with a headache today. Took some Tylenol. But I don't know what's going on. The stuffy nose yesterday turned into a sore throat all night last night. All right. H-Bar, ladies and gentlemen, sitting at 4.75 cents at the moment. All-time graph shows us that we have hit prices around 1 cent prior in 2020. And it shot up during this bull market to 45 cents. 10x gain. 90% loss from where we are now. To get back there, you'd see about a 10x gain. Not bad at all. Let's see, where's the market cap? Still $1 billion market cap, not bad. If it reaches the all-time lows here, we're going to see a market cap around $250 million, give or take. Could be 200 million, 190 million, so on. So, not bad. Still has some downside if it hits it. Now, I don't know what these guys do. Let's try to see if we can very quickly see what they do. Ooh, smart contracts done smarter. Nice. 10x faster than blockchain alternatives. All right. Carbon negative. Always good thing. Always predictable gas fees. Very good. So are these guys like a... Are they like a layer 2 blockchain? Or what do we got here, man? Trying to... Okay. So is that what I'm getting here? Is that they're almost like, are they a layer 2 or are they a layer 1 blockchain where you can create your own tokens? It gotta be layer 2. 10,000 transactions per second. I don't think Ethereum's doing that, right? What do you guys know about it? I don't even know where you guys are telling me about it. Nobody's telling me about it right now. Yeah, I don't know what these guys are. I don't know if they're layer 1 or layer 2. Nonetheless, man, it does seem like a project everybody is always interested in. I would have to look up a little bit more to see what they do exactly. Seems like you can build tokens on their network, makes it very easy to create smart contracts, things like that, which is always beneficial. Now, here's the good thing. If I am right on that, I think that they could absolutely thrive during the next bull market because so many tokens are created during bull markets. Everybody wants to get their hands on some smart contracts. Everybody wants to get their hands on some tokens and and make these things for themselves. So I think that they'll do great. If some regulation comes out before the next bull market that kind of prohibits new tokens from being made, I don't think that Hedera or HBAR could do very well. I mean, if that's their entire business is smart contracts and creating tokens, then they might have a pretty difficult time during the next bull market if that regulation comes to be. So something to consider there, but nonetheless, it's a 90% discount from where it's been before. So definitely something to think about if you guys are interested in making some wild 10 plus X gains. I mean, dude, 10x gain, 1,000% on your money is just a massive, massive return. Let's watch Bitcoin for a minute, down at 16,500 point per coin, dollars per coin. Morning all, Claybro, started a channel yesterday. I already have like 3 subscribers, so I would call that a success. Emma D, I would absolutely call that a success. Emma D, what's the channel? Guys, go support Emma D. Did you post a video yesterday? Claybro, fairly close to the bottom. Got my second half cash cure put sold. Next Friday, $6 strike. Collected 19 cents per contract. And I have my 650 contracts for this Friday. Very nice, Frank. 650 contracts for this Friday. What are you thinking, man? Is it going to drop back down below? Are we going to have a couple bad days here? Or is it going to stay above? Ooh, man. 650, that's still a decent decline. That's still a decent decline for 650, and you got support at $7. So I think you might be good on that one, but if the NASDAQ falls back down through, let's look at the QQQ down here. If the NASDAQ falls back down through this level at like 280, I don't know, you might be seeing that 650, but nonetheless, man, I hope it works out for you. Frank, man, making money Frank, you make money every week on your options, right? You playing options every week, generating that income. I love it, dude. Glad I represent 33% of your subscribers. Auto, bro. Nice, man. Congratulations, Emma D. It took me forever to get 3 subscribers, so you're doing something right. Yes, Emma D. Very good. Cassie, very good as well. Hey, Cassie, man. Got 3 subscribers. Doing very good, guys. Oh, look. My 3 followers. Love you guys. There you go, man. We got all of them in here. Post on Discord, I'll jump in. There you go, Peter. 100% of my fan base is in the room right now. Cassie, so I cheated a little. You did not cheat. It's all about bros supporting bros, man. I mean, it's not cheating. It's called internal development. Yeah, exactly, Dark Bro. I'm proud to say I'm one of the 3 subscribers. Pika. Very nice. Very nice. I love to see the bros supporting the bros, man. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I want to come over and change this. I don't want QQQ. I want Bitcoin. I want Bitcoin down here. No, I keep clicking on the wrong thing. We'll put this here. going to be easier to click on that way. All right, perfect. All right. I think we will hold $7, but if they exercise, I'll turn around and sell cover calls next week. Nice, Frank. Very nice, man. Not a bad strategy at all. Frank is definitely making money either way, man. He's either making it when he gets exercise and selling the covered calls, or he's got the cash secure puts going on there. Not bad at all, Frank. Peter posted to the Discord, but I really don't know what I'm doing, so I'll try again. All right, M&D, you're doing well. I know that. Happy Wacky Wednesday, everybody. Done now. Thank you for being in here to know. When do you think the next true bull run will take off? Oh, man. CD Wit. This is a tough question. So, there's a lot going on right now. I think the next true bull run, and this might not be like the bottom, to catch the bottom, but 3 things that you do need for a pure bull market are rising earnings, okay, in the stock market, meaning companies are growing. And you can look at things like GDP as well to see that the overall economy is growing. So look at those types of things. It might be a little bit more difficult to gauge for like a crypto market, whether earnings are growing and more people are flowing into cryptos, because there's not necessarily earnings in those cryptocurrencies, right? But an overall bull market and confidence restoring to these financial systems, you can look at earnings increasing. Now, that means the companies are growing, they're doing more and more business, and that's very productive. On the other hand, you want to see inflation rates that are either low or declining. And right now, inflation rates are declining from where they were, and that's why we saw a nice little jump over the last week, is because inflation rates, both the consumer price index and the producer price index, came in lower than expectations. And they have done so for like the last 3 months, I believe. However, they are still high. So high inflation rates are not conducive to growth. High inflation rates stagnate growth. And make it more difficult to increase earnings and things like that. So low and declining inflation rates are good, and then interest rates as well. You want interest rates to be low or interest rates to be declining. Why do you want to see that? Because cheaper money spurs growth. Cheaper money, if it basically costs you nothing to borrow, and you can go out there and leverage for free, you could essentially generate more sales based on that leverage. High interest rates, what we're seeing right now, is a bad situation for a bull market. Not only is it a bad situation for a bull market, we are not going to reverse the interest rates yet. We are still going to continue increasing interest rates, and that is going to be a bad sign. So for a true bull market to be here, we need the entire economic conditions to be present, and we don't have those. We've basically got a full-on bear market right now with earnings declining, interest rates rising, inflation rising. It's not a good idea to exercise leftover Taco Tuesday. It can hit you hard. Yeah, it can, man. Hi, Jay. How's it, Jay? Bones, baby. What's going on? Congrats on 17 months being a bro. No, yes. Cassie, thank you very much for being a bro for 17 months, Frank. Yes, just doubled my subscriptions. Oh, my gosh. I love it. Wild times, my friends. Wild times. It's going, brother. It's going. Thanks to know. Heck yeah. I won't let you down. I already have a topic that might divide your subscribe. There you go. Could be good, man. Making waves all over. Oh, peak of my favorite kind of topics. The division, man. We love the division, right? Because that sounds directed at me. Maybe it is. Amazon laying off 10,000 employees. Definitely not growth. I did not see that article. But, yeah, if Amazon's laying off 10,000 employees, guys, that is definitely not growth. That is the opposite of growth. That is a decline or a decay. Gonna call those topics a Pika Poker. That's a pretty good name, man. A little Pika Poker. We got a little Pika Poker going on. Morning, everybody. King Mamba, good morning to you, man. So glad to have you in here today. Overall difficult day for the market. Let's put it that way. Overall difficult day for the market. We've got Bitcoin down only about 2% right now, But nonetheless, in the $16,000 range for Bitcoin, that is very low. We've got AMC sitting in the $7 range, down 8% today. Shiba Inu coin in the red, GameStop in the red, basically everything in the red at the moment. And the overall market is down over 1% right now. It seems like it may be curling back over. This is exactly what you don't want to see if you're looking for gains. This type of a curl over right here that could potentially lead to a support level being broken. So we'll keep our eyes on this throughout the day. I mean, this is probably like a 1.5, 1.6% decline, so it is pretty heavy. But nonetheless, man, if we break through it, you could see some not huge declines, but dude, 1% on the overall market is already a very, very heavy decline. My gosh, just to see, like, when you look at the graph like this, it doesn't look that bad. Oh, we're just down a little bit from the 13,000 points that it was at before. We're 11,000. But when you, like, scroll back and see what the market has been doing over the last year, it's kind of crazy. We've just been hitting lower highs, man, over the entirety of the last year. Some bounces, yes, but we're still following this trend, and we could be testing some new lows here pretty soon that would result in like 50% declines from the highs that we hit. That would be one of the worst economic environments that we've ever been in. So we will see how it plays out, but nonetheless, down 1.28% right now on the NASDAQ. And Bitcoin trying to bounce back a little bit, which is good. We want cryptocurrency to start hitting a bottom, my goodness. I like tacos. I mean turtles. I mean tacos. I like both, actually. I like turtle tacos. No, I'm not going to eat a turtle. Has anybody ever actually ate a turtle? I've never had a turtle before. What happened to the Bitcoin that's locked up with FTX downfall? Anyone know? No, I do not know. So, I don't know how much they have left in FTX, or if literally everything was drained during that hack, man. So, I don't know if there's anything left with FTX, or anything that's essentially locked up with the FTX problem that's going on right now. I thought when they had hacked the $600 million that was left, that they had taken everything. But, dude, you see Sam Bankman-Fried out on Twitter right now, and the dude is just tweeting like there's no problems whatsoever, that he's going to rebuild, that he's going to do the right thing, that he is going to do right by customers and make all of his customers whole. What? What does that guy think that he can do in making his customers whole? He said he's going to raise liquidity. Where is this guy going to get money? Who is going to give Sam Bankman-Fried money after everything that FTX has just done? Like, where's he going to get that money from? Do they even ask themselves these questions? Do they even ask themselves these questions, or it's just not part of their concern? It's very strange to me. Emma, thinking the thoughts about things for me, and we'll do what? Emma, thinking the thoughts about things for me, and we'll do it. What is thinking the thoughts about things for me? I'm so confused right now. Bro, I liquidated all my LUNC off Crypto.com. I don't have a good feeling about them right now. Something is off. Dark Bro, very well could be, man. Very well could be. I actually have very little Crypto.com coin left on Crypto.com. Everything else, I don't have anything else on Crypto.com right now. I've got a little bit to trade with on KuCoin if I want. Obviously, some locked up in Voyager still. And then the rest is Trust Wallet at the moment. So, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. These centralized exchanges, Genesis. I've never used Genesis, but Genesis going down this morning. Let's see if we can read a little bit about that. Let's see. No, dude, not Gemini, too. There's no way. Is Genesis Gemini? Clement last, what you know? Kalani, what's going on, man? Oh, it's a play on our catchphrase. Gotcha, Pika. Okay, now I feel a little bit better because I'm like, what is going on right now? What is the average time frame between bear markets and bull markets? Do we expect any kind of a rally in December? So, Lonnie, the average time frame for the cryptocurrency market we've really only undergone like one massive bear market that lasted just a couple years, man, like 2.5 years. Stock market, bull markets are very similar. They may last 1, 2, possibly 3 years, but then you see people starting to flow back in and buy. So bull markets typically drastically outlast bear markets, and we're 1 year into this current bear market. So there is a possibility that we start to see some gains in December, yes. But with everything going on, I'm still going to say no, man. I'm still going to say no. The economic environment's too harsh for some massive growth there. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Oh, Genesis is partnered with Gemini. Oh boy. Genesis is spending redemptions and new loan origination, sorry. It's lending business after the unit faced withdrawal requests that exceeded current liquidity. Gemini. This is wild, man. This is wild. These people don't even have enough money on hand to fund all of the withdrawals. Yeah, dude, with Gemini not in a good position right now, and this Genesis crypto lending halting withdrawals, I really don't know what else to say. If you guys are on a centralized exchange, I don't know, man. And to be completely honest with you, if these crypto lenders like Celsius and this Genesis and so on continue to go under, you're tectonic, man. Where's tectonic at today? 2 cents. I'm telling you, man, Raven coin, I might end up being a Raven coin whale. I got a history with Raven coin and I like it. Oh man. FTX $1.61. Where on earth is tectonic? Alright, so it is back up slightly to 1,000 points per coin as opposed to the 900 that it was at a couple days ago. But these DeFi crypto lenders could absolutely turn into something if all of these central crypto lenders end up dying. And that's what we're seeing right here, man. Crypto to work in return for yields exceeding 8%. One of Genesis' biggest lenders. It originated $4 billion in crypto loans as of a year ago. We're working with Genesis team to help customers redeem their funds from Earn program as quickly as possible. Gemini sent on our website. We provide more information in the coming days. Oh, God. BlockFi, Voyager, crypto lenders, BlockFi and Voyager Digital, also under pressure. Under pressure, man? What do you mean under pressure? They're literally under bankruptcy. Voyager. This is how much they care about us. Voyager, which Bankman-Fried was going to rescue with a $1.4 billion deal, is now twisting in the wind, trying to find a replacement buyer for its assets. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Yeah, guys, be careful. That's all I'm gonna say. Be careful with these central crypto exchanges. Hood Diamond Hand coin puts or take profit expiration is next month. Woo! So if you've got some puts, Mr. KZ Damos, let's look and see where we're at right now. I haven't seen coin in a while. This is a daily graph, right? Don't necessarily diamond hand them, okay? But you're at a major level of support. If it breaks this area in here, now I know this is lines at like $48, exactly where we're at right now. Okay, exactly where we're at. It's a little bit of a range, okay, because you're wicking down here to like $45. If it breaks this area, dude, if it breaks this area, your puts will be worth a lot more money. You could absolutely see a major tank through this major line of support. So I wouldn't necessarily make a move today, but I would be a little bit concerned if you bounce off this level of support, because in the past when it's bounced off, it's rallied nicely, coming back up to $60, $60, even over $100, and you could retest these levels around $60 again if it does have a nice bounce. So you are either at the bottom right now and potentially the best profit you're going to see, or if it breaks this level, you're going to see a major spike down as it breaks through this level of support right there. So I would keep your eye on it, not necessarily make a decision today, but you are at a major level of support on coin. Looking very handsome today. I look like a big old bucket of ham. Staking your crypto in an exchange is like staking your life on it being a real thing. True. Be it like life being real or like crypto being real. The DeFi percentages are at 49% on Tectonic after sitting at 1.43%. It's absolutely wild, Lonnie. And it's probably because, man, they realize the centralized lenders are collapsing left and right. So all you're going to have left are DeFi lenders, man. What's Crow at? Very good question. I think Crow is at 7 cents today. I think Crow's at 7 cents today. 6.8. All right, 6.8 right now. It was at 7 cents a little earlier. So it was at 7 cents a little earlier. 6.89 cents at the moment. Coming down, ladies and gentlemen. We had a nice little bounce there, but today seems to be a purple day on Crow Coin. And if it comes back down, I mean, look, I would not be surprised. If it breaks this is a level of support right here that it tested a little earlier. 6.6 cents. Tested it, bounced back up a little bit. But if it breaks it, I wouldn't be surprised to wick back down. I would not be surprised to wick back down. I think that all of these centralized exchanges, man, they're under such scrutiny right now. Not by regulators, but by customers. Bro life is where it's at. You guys are awesome. J-Bones, baby. You're awesome, man. So glad to have you in here, J-Bones, with that 18-month member chat. My gosh. Glad I'm up for a road trip. I could bring you some chicken noodle soup, crackers, and Sprite. I don't remember the last time I had a Sprite. I don't drink pop. But chicken noodle soup actually does sound good right now. Chicken noodle soup does sound very good. My bowel's under pressure. Hold it in, roulette wheel. Hold it in. That's kind of what I mean. They're driving like flies without warning. I'm not having a positive feeling about them. Yeah, Dark Bro, I don't blame you right now, man. Let's see. Yes, bros for life, baby. Heck yeah. Pressure pushing down on... What? Pressure pushing down on me, pushing down on you. No man ask for under pressure. I have no idea what song that is either. Forefathers! What's going on, Forefathers? We got a Nana for Trap. Nana for Trap. Is Trap in here? I've not seen Trap in a while. AMC Trapper, are you out there? What are your thoughts on Shiba Swap? Do you have token staked? I do not. I actually don't have any tokens staked anywhere. DeFi exchange though, dude. I don't think it's necessarily like a bad exchange to use. Not one of the more popular ones, but I don't have anything staked on ShibaSwap. That's why we were all here. Everyone pitching in and keeping an eye on everything, so we all somewhat make it through this market in corruption. I'm still smiling, even with the hits. Kenneth, dude, I love it, and you're absolutely right. It's not easy. If you were just getting hit left and right by yourself, might not be easy to survive this bear market. But if the 66 of us are taking hits for each other, you know, it might be a little bit easier for us to survive this bear market and be just wildly successful in the bull market, man. Thanks, guys. J Bones, absolutely, man. Yo, bro, Four Fathers, Dr. Pepper, Jama Beans. You like Dr. Pepper? Dr. Pepper's the last pop that I've had. Finally taught my mom how to invest in crypto. Now I'll have to explain the two-factor authentication to her when she's ready to pull the $12,000 just invested from savings that we were just sitting there like a year. Well, dude, hopefully that $12,000 turns into $150,000 during the next bull market, and she's absolutely wildly successful, Arthur. I love it, man. Pop. It's not pop. Oh, pop. It is pop, man. It is pop. Pop is pop, dude. Pop is pop for sure. Only 6 days away from me. Nice, Mr. Simon. Roulette wheel and D's. Hello, Arthur. Better to keep it in savings unless your mom likes gambling. Ooh. I don't know if my mom likes gambling. Mom, are you out there? Do you like gambling right now? Hey, Danelle. Yes, she loves to gamble. So she put most of it in Ethereum and Crow. Well, mom likes to gamble, man. I don't know if my mom likes to gamble, actually. I don't think she does. Don't forget to click that likey button, ladies and gentlemen. Please click that like button. Victor is still patiently waiting. Victor, are you waiting on a wrench or are you waiting on a shirt, Victor? Which one are you waiting on? Because you get that 14-month member chat. I'm here. You know me. I had to show up late. Freaking annihilated the company champion today with some philosophy. Feeling good. Don't know if y'all can handle right now. Well, dude, I hope you're feeling good today, man. I hope you're feeling good today. Because I'm feeling a little bit sick at the moment. Stream, what's going on, man? Stream, yeah, we like to cringe a lot in here, dude. Congrats, Victor, on the 14 months being a bro. Yes, y'all must be from the north. Pop. Well, that's what it is, dude. That is what it is. It is pop. Not pop. Soda or a Coke? Well, it's definitely pop. I don't know anything about soda. Wait, is this the best time to go heavy on waste management since a lot of cryptos are turning into trash? Well, actually, let's look at waste management, dude. I like waste management. Waste management is a nice dividend-paying stock, so let's see where they're at right now. Yeah, dude, you can see this daily graph on waste management. Waste management has not lost. Waste management has not lost any money, man. Like, if you were in waste management and this was the extent of your decline from November, well, look. November of 2021, when the bear market began, we're right there. It has not lost any money since the bear market began. So waste management has actually done a very good job of maintaining value during this bear market. And it's still got, oh my gosh, what is going on? Where's that noise coming from? About to demonetize me, man. Well, get rid of that. Did you guys hear that? Can't be having noise come on my screen like that. My goodness. Bloomberg throwing an ad out there. Can't be having none of that. And the dividend, man, the dividend continues to do very well. 65-cent dividend, 65-cent dividend, 65-cent dividend, 58-cent dividend, 58-cent dividend. They continue to increase their dividend, man, and the value of the company continues to increase. Looking very good from the 2020 lows right there. Doesn't seem like waste management is concerned with falling down anytime soon. So, yes, they are picking up the crypto trash, man. They're absolutely picking up the crypto trash. Looking good for waste management. AMC throwing some green candles on the chart right now. $7.46. New high for today? No. It opened up nice and fell off after the open. So, new recent high, yes. 746, 747 on AMC. Shiba Inu coin down to 1.41%. GameStop basically sitting sideways. And Bitcoin down to 16,500. Roulette wheel. Thank you very much for the super chat. Why you timed out at TikTok? Missed your story. Oh, well, dude, because basically, I mean, these people, they report nearly every video that I do. Okay, they report nearly every video that I make. And I think it's because they get mad that cryptocurrency is losing value. So you get a bunch of guys all the time that leave comments like, crypto is trash, Terra Luna Classic is trash, Crypto.com coin is trash, CZ Binance is a scammer. Like, anytime you talk about anything related to crypto, it seems there's somebody upset about crypto that reports your content as a fraud and a scam because they believe that crypto is a fraud and a scam. And I think that the way that TikTok works, dude, if you just get enough people to report it, they like ban your video, and then you have to open it up and appeal. And half the time, if you click appeal, it immediately puts your video back up. And the other half the time, your appeal just sits there pending forever. It's like nobody wants to look at it. So I believe, at least in my situation, after you get 3 that you have to appeal, they put you in timeout for like 3 days. So I'm in timeout for 3 days right now because people report the videos as scams and frauds because they do not like the fact that cryptocurrency goes down. So that's where we're at right now. Banned until sometime tonight. I don't know what time tonight. You can still go live on there. You literally can't post. I can't even comment on other people's videos. I can't even comment on other people's videos on there. Or I can't even comment on my own videos. Like when these people leave trash comments on there, I can't even comment telling them that they left a trash comment. Frank, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Frank says, please listen to Under Pressure by David Bowie and Freddie Mercury in between streams. Please, please. Also, I'll be playing Warhammer 40k on Lunch Twitch. What the heck is Warhammer 40k? Let's see. Under Pressure. No. Maybe. It's gotta be this one. Alright, so let's see what we've got here. I'll get this ready to go. Queued up. Alright, cool. Got it ready to go, Frank. We'll make it happen. Cleet, have you read The Richest Man in Babylon? No. So I actually don't read a lot of books, dude. So The Richest Man in Babylon, I have not read that. No. Is it a good book? Joan de Jesus? No, bro. It's because you were. It's because you're. Yeah, it could be, man. Could be forefathers. Might be the reason. Crypto is trash to make massive gains, and it's everyone's gold. Lonnie. Yeah. So, and I was talking about this a little bit yesterday, and I don't know if my friend's listening right now. Maybe, maybe not. But I don't think he cares. I'm not saying anybody's names or anything. So, you know, we are at the point right now where crypto does seem to be falling apart. The centralized players are all coming out as like frauds and actual scams and so on. And his dad told him, well, I told you so. I told you crypto was a scam. I told you you'd lose your money in crypto. Things like that. And when everybody starts to say that, that's when I think that we're near a bottom. When everybody gives up on cryptocurrency, I think is when we are near a bottom. And then that's when you have the opportunities like Shiba Inu coin going from absolutely worthless to multi-billions of dollars. And then people are, oh, cryptocurrency is great. Let's put all our money into it. And then they start FOMOing in and all of that. And that's when you see these 5, 10, 20, 100, 1,000x gains that we will be here for. That we will be here for. I guarantee we will be here for it. You guys can get hit every stinking day of your life for the next 5 years. But if you hit those 100, 200x gains, it's going to be worth every hit you took, man. It's going to be worth every hit you took. Chinese government and TikTok, go get them. Well, it is a little weird, dude. It is. I don't know. And then you can't even, like, email anybody either. And it's not like I'm sitting there doing anything. I'm posting the crap, man. Like 3 to 4 videos. Like I'm trying to create some content, and I don't even do anything really other than like look at the graph and say this graph is going up, this graph is going down. CZ Binance said this, Elon Musk said that. It's It's nonsense, man. It's a bunch of 18-year-old, well, probably a bunch of 13-year-old kids. Their older brother lost some money on crypto, so they go out there and report crypto videos now. Big I think spotters everywhere. Everywhere I think about pop-ups in one feed or another. Yeah, no. I could sit there and like think, oh, I'm gonna have chicken for dinner tonight, and then all of a sudden, I'll get ads for chicken tenders. It's ridiculous. Hi, I read a lot. Oh, I don't read a lot either, but audiobooks, so no excuses. And yes, that book is something everyone needs to read or hear in their life. Chris. All right, man, maybe I can check it out or something and get an abbreviated version. I really don't know. I never liked to read, never enjoyed it. But it does sound like it's something that I am interested in. What's up, guys? How's everyone today? How you doing, Clay? Next level. I'm doing okay, man. I'm a little under the weather today, is how I want to put it. I'm a little under the weather today. Got a stuffy nose. Slept terrible last night with, like, drainage all night, giving me just a ridiculously sore throat all night. Woke up with a headache. Took some Tylenol. Here we are. And doing good. Great channel. Thanks. Crypto Greg, man. Thanks for being in here, Crypto Greg. Appreciate you, dude. I will be there for it because I'm not giving up. D's. I'll drag you along if you decide to give up, man. If anybody thinks that they can't handle it anymore and they're going to be giving up, that's why you got 72 other brothers in here that are going to grab your hand and drag you along. You guys are pretty much stuck. You're pretty much stuck in here for the next bull market, man. You guys will be partaking in the bull market. I just make that turkey video. They can't say it's a scam to that. They cannot say it's a scam to that. And that actually might... I would not mind posting that on TikTok. YouTube might be a little weird with it, but that I would not mind posting on TikTok. Oh, gosh. I have decided Bro app is coming. Dark Bro. Dun, 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 dun. What is Bro app going to look like? I like it, Dark Bro. I like the sound of that. Next level. Boom, baby, Dark Bro. Let's get to work on that app. Let's do it, Arthur. I mean, everything I think. Oh, yeah, dude. Well, I don't know. I don't know if it's reading my thoughts, but I'm telling you, if I say something out loud, it almost is all I get an ad on it on my phone. It's crazy. Remember the times when having a sore throat is... Yes, I do, man. I do. And I got a sore throat because of some sinus drainage right now. So if you guys like see any snotches start rolling down my mustache or something, that's gross, dude. That's gross. Tell me it's gross, and I'll drop the camera, and then you guys don't need to look at it anymore. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Chris says, when the days are red, we'll be here. When the next election, we'll be here. When you've worked 30 years, we'll be here. When you're in the ground, you know where we will be. Here. Chris, you're exactly right, man. Yes, we are always going to be here, Chris. Chris finally gets it, man. We are not going anywhere. You know who else gets it? Pika Power gets it. She says, let's see a little bit of that. I'm dying right now. You have no idea how hard that is to do when you are congested and you can't breathe through your nose and then you start to restrict your throat. Oh my goodness. That is, that is one way to do it, man. When your nose is completely stuffed up and then you restrict your throat like that, it's bad news. Pika almost killed me, guys. Pika almost killed me for her own entertainment. Dude, Pika is living a real-life Royal Rumble right now. Pika killed Claybro by making him look like a turkey. Pika killed Claybro with the turkey call. Oh, boy. Yeah, Pika living a real-life Royal Rumble at the moment. I already have the app design. It will be streaming. It will be streaming in chat lobbies and crypto talk related just like we do here, but without all the crap. Hey, man. Dude, if you know how to do that, Dark Bro, that's a freaking sick app, man. I like that. That's right, Clay. We aren't going anywhere. Old Rounder, I like it, man. That's great lyrics for a hit song. Was that a song and you guys just threw it over my head? That might have been a song and you threw it over my head. It's the best turkey version I've ever heard. Rich, dude. The crazy thing is, man, Tim, I don't know if it was Tim or who first sent the turkey. That's the first thing that just popped in my head, to do a turkey, and apparently it works. And if we get rich saying that's the best turkey he's ever heard, I know for a fact that stupid video would go viral if I did that and just posted it on YouTube, man. We'd have 1 million subs by the end of the year. You better turkey than a cow. No, JB, my cow is priceless. You guys have obviously never heard cows, man. Hey, how was your lesson on how babies are made? My lesson on how babies were made was actually very intriguing, Nick. It was very intriguing. A lot that I actually did not know. A lot that I did not know there. So I did learn a lot, and very grateful for that lesson. Guys, I'm telling you, you hang out with Nick F, dude, and you get into some weird stuff. I'm telling you right now, you get into some weird stuff when you hang out with Nick F. Scott thank you for the mustache. Scott, thank you very much for the mustache. Yeah, so we can get on that lesson a little bit later, but for now, we've got a King Owl outdo, bro. Whoo, 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 whoo. Can I go all the way around 360? Nope. Whoo. I tried to go 360. Outdo, bro. Did not work. Thank you very much for the King Owl. Outdo, bro. Arthur C. becoming a little bro. This is what I love to see. Arthur, man. Let's get 67. Welcome, Arthur's, into the chat. You guys are on it. My goodness. I like it. Well, have you posted TikTok videos of just... Ooh. That I have not done, JB. That I have not done. That actually might be one of the best suggestions ever, dude. TikTok seems like a platform that would absolutely love super sticker impersonations. TikTok seems like a platform that would highly viralize that content. So I've not done that. It actually sounds like something I might be interested in, JB. Thank you, everybody, for saying welcome to Arthur. Arthur, man, thank you for grabbing that green name. Becoming a bro. Absolutely love it, dude. Thank you very much. We got Pika saying welcome. We got JB, Mr. Simon Clowney, Nick F, Sky Stonify, Pika, D's, Auto Bro, Next Level, J Bones, Cassie, Dark Bro, King Mamba, Old Rounder, Danelle. We got Crypto Dreamer, Kenneth, Next Level, Nick F again. Just go all the way left. I'll cut your camera out and snap your head back to the other side. It's actually a good strategy, Nick. We could trick him on that one. Dark Bro, bro, he was welcoming before you saw. Yeah, dude, for sure, man. For sure. JB, TikTokers need to know how to eat a hot dog. TikTokers do need to know how to eat a hot dog. I feel like, if I'm being honest with you, I feel like TikTokers already know how to eat a hot dog, but I could teach them, for sure. Chris, Dark Bro, thank you for saying welcome. We ain't slackers. You definitely aren't slackers, man. Definitely not slackers. H-bar updates. H-bar update. Hey, 775, is H-bar layer 1 or layer 2 blockchain? Is it layer 1 or layer 2? I was looking at that earlier. Couldn't see anything directly, just like in the 2 minutes that I looked at it. But H-bar seems like a platform where you can build your own tokens, right? You build your own tokens, get your own smart contracts and stuff like that going on. I was saying that during the next bull market, as long as there's not regulation prohibiting that, H-bar is going to thrive during the next bull market. If that's what they do and we've got regulations coming out that prohibit the creation of your own tokens, then we could have some problems with H-bar. Did someone say hot dog? Oh, geez, they did. Would you rather hold LUNC or Raven? Ooh, interesting. I do personally feel like Raven coin is like I've got a larger attachment to Raven coin than I do Terra Luna Classic. And Raven coin has not undergone the same type of fallout that Terra Luna Classic has. So I would personally, and I'm holding both of them, but I would rather hold Raven coin as a long-term hold than I would Terra Luna Classic. That's not to say that one is necessarily that much better than the other, but I've got that history with Ravencoin, right? So I would choose a Ravencoin over Terra Luna Classic is having to go with which one I would prefer with the long-term hold. But you actually, Terra Luna Classic, dude, there's no denying that if it does get rebuilt, I mean, it's gonna be a monster. The thing that I don't like about Terra Luna Classic in the intermediate time frame is that these kids are so stinking focused on like defending Do Kwon, and they're so stinking focused on hitting a paycheck that I really don't know if they're focused on rebuilding, burning, and repegging Terra Luna Classic. So that's like my main concern there. But don't listen. It depends on what kind of mining equipment you guys have right now. But I was actually looking at the mining statistics. Don't go out and try to mine anything right now. I'll show you that in 2 seconds after I say, geez, thank you very much for the hot dog, man. You take that hot dog. Anybody on TikTok right now, YouTube, anywhere in the world that doesn't know how to eat a hot dog, you dip the hot dog in your favorite dip, whatever that dip is, and when you're done dipping it, you shove it, man. You shove it. Thank you very much, Deez. Really appreciate the tutorial on how to properly dip and shove a hot dog. I like it, man. How much is Raven? Raven coin is currently 2 cents. Could be on its way back down to 1 cent. So I believe the all-time low for Raven coin was 1 cent. And that's kind of when I started getting in back in, I believe, 2020. And shot up to like 28 cents. And here we are today. This is the mining. We'll look at that in a second. But Raven coin right now is not on the screen. Raven coin right now is 2.1 cents. So you can see the all-time graph back in the beginning of 2020 2021 shot up very nicely. And it is right back down to 2 cents right now. So some of the all-time lows that you saw was right around a penny per coin. And dude, 20 plus X gain is not bad at all. So I don't mind getting into Raven coin in these areas where it's at right now. However, depending on your mining equipment, okay, very, very difficult to post a profit. So even some of the brand new graphics cards, if you guys are wanting to find some cheap graphics cards right now, you could probably go pick them up, because basically nobody is making money mining with graphics cards at the moment. And you guys can see here that even if you're bringing in $28 a day in coins, you're losing $7 a day. And this is on a lot of cards here. But if you're going to go grab one card, 6900 XT, you're going to be making 25 cents a day, but you're going to be spending 50 cents a day in electricity. So you're losing basically 28 cents a day. Just on your 28, 30 cents down per card on your profit. The good news is nobody's going to know you own those coins, so you can throw them straight into a DeFi wallet. Nobody knows that you've got those coins. The bad news is you're paying almost twice as much for them that you could if you just went out on a centralized exchange and bought them. So mining right now is taking a very hard hit. Somebody was asking this yesterday. Let's see some of the ASIC miners out there right now, and what we could be getting with some of the ASIC miners. Now, they are still profitable, okay? I don't know how much these ASIC miners cost. This is obviously... Oh, geez, which one is this? Something's padding these numbers pretty well right here. This is saying you got $6,000 a day in profit. I don't know which one it's pulling from. My gosh. Yeah, so this is saying you got like $5,000 to $6,000 a day in profit. And I don't know which ASIC miner it's using here, but nonetheless, man, these ASIC miners, they're expensive. You might be dropping 10, 20, 30 grand for one of the brand new ASIC miners out there. But I'm going to tell you what. I remember looking at what to mine when Zcash was sitting at $18 a coin. And it's only at $39 a coin right now. If we start to fall down in price, man, we're going to be at those same 2020 to 2019 lows that we were seeing when nobody wanted to be involved in crypto. So we could absolutely be right around the corner from some massive buying opportunities to sit here and stack for the next couple of years. We have 10 minutes left. Got to act like one of my bosses. Last one here. First one to leave. Last one here. First one to leave. Nice, Chris. Try to make it later, but let's be real. I'm babysitting numbskull, so I'll see you when I see you. Chris, boom. Diamond-handed apes, baby. See you later. Enjoy your day, Chris. What coin was it that you were looking at that was like 0.266 that you want to be aware? So you might be talking about Tectonic. Quite possibly Tectonic, but I was talking about being a whale in Ravencoin, right? I was talking about being a Ravencoin whale, which is the one that's at a penny right there. Your dip and shove technique is superb. 1776. A lot of practice, man. A lot of practice. Hello, Chris, and goodbye. Nice to know. First to leave, last one there. First to leave. Chris is a boss, man. Hope you LUNC and Shib at a penny or $1 soon. If so, I'm buying an island and buying a compound. King Mamba. You buying a tropical island or you buying an island up there in Alaska somewhere, man? Bro, Forefathers, what's up? How about mining and using the heat from the computer to... See, that actually, yes. How about mining and using the heat from the computer to heat your home in cold climate areas? Yeah, roulette wheel. That actually does work. So... I will say this. If I just run one little miner with 6 graphics cards in it, I could easily heat the entire upstairs. If I left my bedroom door open at night, and I left all these doors open, I could easily heat the entire upstairs. If I had 2 or 3 miners running, and let's say I had one down in the living room, I had one down like in the back office area, I had one up here, I could almost guarantee that those miners would easily heat the entire house. If I put one or 2 downstairs in the basement, 2 on the first floor, 2 or 3 on the first floor, and 1 up here, I can guarantee you that I would never need to turn the fireplace on. I would never need to turn the furnace on. That this house would be toasty, dude. So yes, if you wanted to offset your heating bills by mining cryptocurrency, you absolutely could do that. Like, there's no doubt in my mind that you absolutely could do that. Now, I don't know, depending on the size of your house and so on, like I was showing there, some of those miners where you're losing, 20, 30 cents a day. So if you're losing 20, 30 cents a day per graphics card, it's still going to cost you $1 to $1.50 per miner that you got going on. So if all of a sudden you start to get into $5 a day, it's still not that bad of a heating bill. But yeah, dude, I can guarantee that you would be able to heat your entire house with a couple cryptocurrency miners. Apparently, the new Cardano miner is extremely powerful. JB, very well could be, man. I've not looked into it. Hope the rest between streams and feel better soon. Danelle, thank you very much. I absolutely hope to rest between streams too. I feel like I got hit in the side of the head right now, and I'm just slightly like, oh, okay, this is not good. DC888 is pretty good. Crypto George had 3.3 thousand viewers, but only had 60 likes. You guys gotta click the like button, man. How do these people get so many viewers in there? Where we at? How about, saw that roulette wheel. As ever, hit the like, guys. 39 likes, 71 watching. Guys, click the like button. Listen to DC888. Heats the house and provides a nice white noise. Yes, it does provide a nice white noise. So you're going to have to deal with that. If you guys got the ASIC miners, that's going to be a very nice white noise. The graphics cards aren't that bad. If you've got like newer graphics cards, they're not that bad. But, I mean, dude, if you got like 5 miners running, not 5 graphics cards, if you got like 5 miners running, they can get a little loud. And like, for example, if you keep them up here, even in the winter, if I kept 5 miners up in this room in the middle of the winter, I'd have to keep the windows just wide open. They get hot, dude. They do get very hot. Roulette wheel, I do that with grow lights in my basement during the winter. Very nice. Sky Stoneify, and it works too. If you have solar panels, won't be as expensive. If you have Correct. So, Mr. Simon, and I got a letter in the mail the other day. If you got cheap electricity or free electricity, you're good to go, man. So I got a letter in the mail the other day. This is the last thing I'm ending on with this stream. These guys wanted me to switch over to like 100% sustainable or 100% clean energy. And they promised me that my electric bill would be capped at like $94.90 or something for a 1-year contract. Has any of you guys seen anything like that? Because I'm telling you right now, if these people were going to cap my electric bill at $95, they have no idea how hard I would hit them. They have no idea how hard I would hit them. I would go out. I would buy every ASIC and graphics card I could get my hands on. I would allow you guys to send me as many graphics cards and ASICs as you wanted to. And I would sit here and rack up a $10,000 a month electric bill mining these cryptos. And meanwhile, I'm sitting here subsidized down to $95 a month in electric. So if any of you guys have actually seen anything like that, let me know your experience with it, because I might have to teach these guys a lesson. They said, don't be naive. They did say that there's no usage limits, no fine print where there's usage limits. So if they're for real on that, I might have to hit them pretty hard and teach them a lesson. It's great to see videos. You are amazing. What is the short-term forecast on Dogecoin? Shanif, man, thank you very much. Short-term forecast on Dogecoin is going to be very heavily dependent on what Elon Musk does, man. Let's see. Clay, need to boil some water with lemons and ginger and touch of cayenne. I need to do something, dude. I don't even know where did Vecna get that emoji, man. I've never seen that emoji in my life. I want to connect a generator with my exercise bike to produce electricity. Roulette wheel. It sounds like a good idea. Clear, bro. About to take out the grid. Dark, bro. I'll single-handedly take out the grid if they're going to cap my electric bill at $95. Solar panels in my house, and during the summertime, we use the AC, and the bill is only like $80 a month. Yeah, that's actually a lot... a lot cheaper than my electric bill is in the summer, man. Solar City, we're about to take out Miner City. No idea where all these emojis are coming from, but I love them, guys. It is past 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Appreciate everybody for being in here. Nonetheless, guys, get your names and do the shout-outs. And then we're 99.9% sure going to be back this afternoon. I'm sure I feel just fine to come back. Just got to clear my throat up a little bit, clear my head up a little bit, and we'll be good. Let's see. King Mamba getting that tropical island. See you later, King Mamba. We got Shredder. See you later, man. Sky Stonify, Pika, Vecna, Shredder, Roulette Wheel, Arthur, Mr. Simon, Dark Bro. We've got Mr. Simon, 775, Bree Guys. See you later. Vecna, D's, Old Rounder, Mr. Simon, Gorilla, Invictus. We got DD214, Arthur, Keith Kemp, man. See you later. Sky Stonify. See you, D's, Frank, King Mamba. Let's see. I do not know, King Mamba. I do not know today. I'm going to have to see if I feel good enough to do it. D's, Pat, see you later, man. DD214, Shredda, Bob, Peter, see you later. A few in the mirror will help with the King Turkey. That it will, Pika. DC888, see you later, Corium. D's, all of you guys, you know what time it is. So you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.